Hey guys, in this video we will be learning how to lay out a squatting pen. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, we will need to use a platform. Okay, so just drag out from the structural component. Okay, and if you would like to resize, just click onto the platform. So I'll resize it to 2000 and 1002. And for the height, I'll make it 300. Okay, so right now, go into my walkthrough mode 3D. So right now, we can look for the squatting pen inside the cloud library. So I just type in squatting and just drag it onto my platform. Okay, so hold on to my space bar to adjust. Alright, and if I would like to rotate, same thing, hold on to my space bar. Okay, and if you would like to put some materials onto your platform, you may also drag materials from the cloud library. Alright, and there you have it. This is how to lay out a squatting pen. Good luck trying, guys.